Hi everybody, David Lewis here, and today I want to talk to you about the power of video. Look, let's face facts. Everybody that comes into your dealership does not buy a car, whatever reason may be. Some buy at other dealerships, they buy other product lines, whatever the reason is. But if you are not following up within an hour or two after they leave with a video presentation of the car that they looked at, you are clearly missing the boat. Customers today are looking for salespeople that are unique, that are different, that they want to do business with. So every time a customer leaves your dealership that does not make a purchase at that time, I would go out to that car, I would make a 1-minute video walk-around presentation of the car. I would make sure in the video I use the customer's names. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, thanks so much for stopping in today. I really enjoyed spending some time with you. I thought I would give you this quick video presentation of the vehicle that we looked at. That way, while during your shopping process, you have something to look back at to compare the other vehicles with. And make sure you send it to them via a text message, not an email. Make sure you post the video on YouTube. And when you post it on YouTube, don't put their name on it. Just put the year, make, and model of the car. That way, if other people are on YouTube looking at videos or somebody happens to Google search in your market that they're looking for a specific car, your video might come up. But the initial goal is to get that customer to know that you truly care about them and you want to earn their business. The secondary goal is, well, you're promoting yourself on social media. So again, every single person that doesn't buy a car, 60-second video of the car they looked at, mention their name in the video so they know it was customized for them, thank them for the opportunity to spend some time with them, and give them a short presentation of the car. I guarantee you over a period of time, you're going to see some positive results. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.